In a small, peaceful village, there was a big old tree. It stood near a masjid, tall and strong, with wide branches and deep roots. The villager called it Barkha tree because something special always happened near it. Children play under its shade, birds sang sweetly from its branches, the wind whispered gently through its leaves. But most of all, this tree was known from something amazing. One little boy named Yusuf loved the tree very much. He would sit under it after school, talk to it like a friend, and often worship his dua. Ya Allah, he would say, please make my Baba well again. I miss his smile. Yusuf's Baba was very sick, and the doctor said only a miracle could help now. Every day, Yusuf watered the tree, picked up the trash around it, and asked others to not to harm it. Why do you care so much? The other boys laughed. It's just a tree. But Yusuf would smile and say, it gives us shade, it gives the bird a home, and maybe it carries our duas to the sky. One hot summer, no rain come. The land grew dry, farmers were sad, the ground cracked, even the barkha tree began to wither. Its leaf turned brown, its trunk became thin. Some villagers said, cut it down. It's dying, but Yusuf stood in front of the tree with open arms and said, please don't. It needs us now, just like we need it. He ran home, brought water in a small baskets and poured it around the tree roots. Every day he did this even when the sun was burning hot and the water was heavy. Then one evening something beautiful happened. Clouded gathered, thunder rolled, the rain fell. Not just drops, showers. The thirsty land drank happily. The barkha trees stood tall again. Green leaves danced in the wind. Yusuf smiled and whispered, Alhamdulillah, and something even more amazing, his Baba began to recover. Slowly, day by day, he smiled again, he walked, he prayed. In the village, started taking care of the barkha tree after that. They cleaned the area, stopped it lintering, and even planted more trees. And whenever someone made a dua under that tree, they remembered Yusuf love and the miracle that come with it. Moral of the story, when you care for Allah's creation with love and sincerity, He bless you in return. Nature is the trust from Allah. If we protect it, it can become a means for our duas to be accepted and our hearts to be healed. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.